You can slide down the side. Here he comes, climbing the stairs. Here he comes, he's climbing the stairs. It's Sayer, climbing the stairs. All by himself.
Nice.
Now let's do it all over again. Now let's do it all over again.
Okay. This'll be good. This'll wear the boys out for bedtime. Yeah. You want to go again? You want to go again? Okay, Elder, don't go yet.
You're gonna do a race.
Start at the same time.
A slow race.
Okay, so are you ready to go again?
Elder, you need to go real slow.
Ready, set, go.
You'll probably still win.
Slow, slow.
Why you're so fast? Hi there.
Tyrannosaurus.
Huh?
He's fatiguing. Don't bump him on your way down. Taking a break?
Whoa.
Yes, you've come a long way. You gonna like, whoa!
He didn't win.
He didn't win?
No.
No,
He won the baby division.
Why?
Because for the babies, he was the fastest.
Good job, dude.
You were the fastest little kid.
I think we shouldn't go again.
But he's the one. I want to go
So
again.
bye-bye.
You can go down and go again.